Hello and welcome. This is part 6 of Gut Biome Reset series. Let's close this gut series with one important correction. Gut repair is not a cleanse, not a punishment, and not a permanent diet. The first signs are not weight loss, they are stability, digestion, appetite, and tolerance. When the inflammation settles, the gut handles food better. That's when variety returns safely. In an inflamed gut, more raw food or intensity isn't progress. It frequently delays recovery. Too much too soon can delay gut healing. Remember, your body has changed after 40. Listen to physiology first. Advice should follow the body, not override it. Your gut was the first step to lowering your cortisol. Now it's time to use that new energy to reclaim your executive function. My upcoming series deep dives into the biology of burnout and why your focus battery isn't holding a charge. Stay tuned for a physician's guide to choice congestion. See you there.